There's a new variant of the 2024 Chevrolet Traverse midsize SUV, and it comes with red tow hooks. Chevy fans know what that means. The Traverse now has a Z71 off-road version to go along with its more rugged overall look. For the third-generation Traverse, applied DNA from the Chevy Tahoe SUV to the Traverse, essentially taking a "Baby Tahoe" approach, according to exterior creative designer Tyler Moffitt. To that end, the new Traverse has a taller front end, the grille has more presence, the rear was designed to accentuate width, all trims have a quad exhaust, and the SUV adopts the same high light signature as the rest of the Chevy family. The wheelbase is the same, but overall length, width, and height have changed slightly and must accommodate versions riding on 18, 20, or 22-inch tires. The Z71 is not an appearance package. To earn the moniker, the Traverse had to become more capable. Its suspension and dampers with hydraulic rebound control, in combination with black 18-inch wheels with all-terrain tires, provide an extra inch of ground clearance. The offset of the wheels gives the Z71 a bit wider track. It will be 0.6 inch wider than the other trim levels. All-wheel drive is optional on all Traverse trims, but the Z71 stands apart with a standard twin-clutch differential in the rear. The Z71 also has terrain mode, which provides one-pedal driving off-road as well as hill descent control. The trailering package is standard on the Z71. The big news inside is the massive 17.7-inch infotainment screen, and to say it's a major upgrade is an understatement. The infotainment screen alone more than doubles the size of the current 8.0-inch screen, and is even bigger than the current center screen and 8.0-inch driver display combined. The new display is slightly angled to the driver, while the SUV has a physical volume knob and controls for the HVAC system. The 2024 Chevrolet Traverse debuts a new turbocharged 2.5-liter i4 engine, replacing the current 310 HP, 266 pound-foot 3.6-liter V6. The horsepower is now higher at an estimated 315 and torque jumps to 317 pound-feet. The i4 is a higher performing and more efficient engine. The 8-speed automatic transmission is not a carryover. It is a modified version of GM's 9-speed. It was converted by changing the torque converter for less mass, better drive quality, and fuel economy while continuing its ability to tow 5,000 pounds.